how to fix mail not loading on your iPhone. So if you're not receiving emails or you're receiving an email but it's not loading, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to solve this issue. Now, I'd recommend going through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. Now, the first thing we need to do is load up the settings on your phone. Next to airplane mode, go and switch this on, and then you'll need to wait around 10 to 15 seconds and you can try turning this off. Now, obviously, you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. So if it's not working on your Wi-Fi, then try using your mobile data instead. And if you're already using your mobile data, then you can try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Now, if it's not working, we're just going to scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on apps. You can then scroll down again until you see an app called Mail. We're then going to click on it like so. Click on Mail Accounts, and here you'll find a list of all of your linked email accounts on your iPhone. Now, just go and select the email account you're having issues with. Make sure Mail is turned on like you see here. If you're still experiencing an issue, you can try pressing Delete Account and selecting Delete from my iPhone. Once you've deleted your mail account, you can click on the Add Account button. You can then click on Choose from a List, and then you can go through the steps here to reconnect your email account. If it's still not working, then head back over to the settings page, scroll down to General and click this, scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can then press Reset, and you need to click Reset All Settings. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your iPhone, and once you've done this, you can check to see if your mail is now working. If you have tried everything so far and you're still not receiving emails, the last solution is to go and open up the settings, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. You can then scroll down again and click back on the Mail app. You can then scroll down this page and click on Privacy Protection. Now, you'll see an option here called Protect Mail Activity. If you currently have this turned on, then try turning it off, and also hide IP address. Make sure this is switched off as well. Once you've done this, that should have now fixed your mail issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.